In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Instagram link on Shopify. This is a great way to integrate your social media presence with your online store, allowing visitors to engage with your brand on multiple platforms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Instagram profile easily accessible through your Shopify site, enhancing visibility and potentially boosting your online engagement. Let's begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. You want to click on the one labeled Online Store. This will open up another set of options beneath it. From here, you'll want to select Themes. This is where you can access everything related to the appearance of your store. Now that you're in the Themes section, look for the Customize button. Clicking on this will open the theme editor, where you can change how different parts of your site look, including your header and footer, where the Instagram link will ultimately be placed. Once you're in the theme editor, navigate to the footer section. The footer is usually at the bottom of the list because it appears at the end of your site. Within the footer settings, there's typically an option to add or edit menus. This will allow you to include different links like your Instagram in your footer or main navigation menu. You'll want to select the appropriate menu where you'd like your Instagram link to appear. Now, look for an Add Menu Item button or something similar. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter a name for the link. Here, you should type Instagram or whatever you prefer to call it, that's totally up to you. Next, you'll need the URL for your Instagram page. Open another tab in your web browser and navigate to your Instagram profile. Copy the full URL from the address bar. This is what you'll use as your link destination. Head back to the Shopify tab you're working on and paste this URL into the field provided for external links. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces here, as you'll want the link to work perfectly the first time a visitor clicks it. Having pasted the link, click the Apply or Save button, which will store your new link in the menu. After saving, it's always a good idea to preview your changes. Look for a Preview button within the theme editor to see how it looks on your live site. Check both desktop and mobile views to ensure everything appears neat and professional. And there you have it. You now know how to add an Instagram link to your Shopify store, a simple yet effective way to encourage your site visitors to connect with you across platforms. Don't forget to keep your social media links updated as your profiles evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped enhance your store's visual presence.